All right, this is a 2008 Honda Civic. It's got the big 1.8 liter engine in there, and it's got a noise. Where's this thing go? There it is. It's got a really weird noise. Let me start it up. I'll show you what it sounds like. Alright, so that's about all I can suffer. It sounds to me like it's something in the accessory drive belt area. So here in the front of the engine, we've got a few possibilities here. Alternator, AC compressor, water pump, and the belt tensioner. Way down in there. See if I can get a light on it, we can look at it. Alright, we're going right there for the tensioner. Get yourself a 19 millimeter or a 3/4 inch wrench. This is not like a regular spring, it's sort of like a hydraulic dampener. And so it's a little tough to push it and hold it. The way it feels is like compressing a shock absorber. There we go. Okay, back up top, here is the tensioner pulley, right here where my fingers are. That's no good. Let's do that from underneath. So let's see if we can find a belt tensioner and a new belt for this thing. I think we'll be good to go. All right, I'm gonna get you as close as I can. Right there at that bolt, that's the one we're going to get off for the hydraulic portion of the tensioner. That's a 12 millimeter on there. Okay, here's that bolt. I'm going to go down here from underneath, and we got to get this water pump pulley off. I'm going to use my new pocket pry bar. This thing is really good in these areas. Alright, looks like we got her. Looks like that pulley needs to go up. Let me pull it out. The belt tensioner lives right behind it, so you'll see it in a second. Alright, and right behind where that pulley was, there's your hex bolt for the other side of the tensioner here. Okay, just got it on a universal joint. Got it squeezed in there. Wow, that thing was pretty tight. I had a long ratchet. You can see how long it is just to get that thing loose. But now it's coming out real easy. All right, here we are up here. Let's see what I gotta do to get this thing out of here. It's stuck just behind that AC hose. Let me show you the service information I'm using today. This comes from charm.li. It's a free library for all cars, including this Honda Civic, as long as they're 10 years old or older and driving in the United States. So this one qualifies for that. The website's run by a man who is very pro right to repair, sort of a warrior in that fight for us. So free access to all the service information you need. This one's pretty easy. Remove drive belt and alternator, which I don't want to do. I don't want to remove the alternator. I'm going to do an alternate. We're going to do the harmonic balancer. Let me show you how that's done. All right, we have the infamous Honda crank pulley bolt. I've got a breaker bar back here on a stand, so that's not going to go anywhere. Long 1/2 inch extension and snap-on ratchet. Regular size, 1/2 inch. I'm going to throw this on the extension. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, let's get this thing off of here and finish this job up. Oh, there we go. Let's take some wiggling. And you can see that tensioner coming out with it. There we go. So that's what you need to do to get this crazy tensioner out of there. here's what that sounds like. This is definitely free spinning. Bearings shouldn't do that. I'll show you what the new one looks like. All right, here's the new tensioner with the new bearing. It spins just a little bit and then it stops. So it's got a lot of good grease in there. It's not all worn out and wiggly. Let's get that in there. All right, so remember, this goes around the bottom of this water pump and then the hydraulic portion towards the front of the car. And let's remember that pulley's got to go back on the water pump. I've cleaned and lubed this balancer, fresh engine oil, and around the seal here, it's cleaned and lubed up. Let's get that put in and then we can tighten the bolt. Here's the Woodruff key. This goes into this slot here on the crankshaft. Make sure that's in there before you put in the balancer. And the balancer has that channel cut out, so make sure that matches up with that key. And that's what that looks like. All right, also lube these threads. Fresh engine oil on there. No Loctite, don't need it. All right, we've got our holder set up and the breaker bar is just right here on the frame. So let's get the 19 millimeter on there. And we're gonna first torque this to 51 foot-pounds. Now we need to go another 90 degrees. Here's what we're gonna do. Just put our 19 here on the tensioner and slowly go all the way back. Just push it nice and slow until it stops. And then slowly relax it. And do this 3 times. Number 2 and number 3. You can hear that fluid moving in there if you listen close. And you just want to work that, get all the air bubbles out. All right, let's get the belt put on. There's the old and busted. Here comes the new hotness, Bando, made in Japan. Good quality stuff. Let's get this on there. All right, moment of truth. Let's go see what this thing sounds like. First start. That sounds awesome. All right, so no more belt noise and the AC is blowing cold in the dash. I'm happy with it. This is a